Love 2016 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.